Welcome to the in front of me ALCATEL 1 2022, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi DAS device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the Wi-Fi section. Now just to activate Wi-Fi, click once here on the switcher, and after that you'll see here all the available networks. You can select one from them, and to connect here just enter the password. To see the password, click here on the checkbox near the show password, and after that just I'll do it out of screen. Then just click here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. You can select one more network here, save the password, and after that just switch between these networks. To turn off the Wi-Fi, just click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, you can open the notification panel. Here on the top bar you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. To activate the Wi-Fi, click here once on this icon, and after that just hold for a while the icon to launch the Wi-Fi settings. To select the network here, and to turn it off you should click here once again on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.